How to enable auto categorization on Photos app on iOS 18.3. Firstly, open Settings on your device. In Settings, go to the General option, tap on Software Update and make sure that you have updated to iOS 18.3. Go back to your Settings main page. Now scroll down until you see this section. Here select the option Privacy and Security. Then go to the option Location Services. Check Location Services for all the apps. Go back to your home page and open the Photos application. Go to any of your photo and swipe up. Now you will see this location section. If it's not available on your photos, you can simply select the option Add a Location. Now at the top search bar, search for the location. Once you have found your location, simply click on it to add it. And just like that, your location has been added. You can click on the location to view where the photo was taken. Or you can simply turn on the location for your photos. That's all for today. Thank you.